Dung dung bang bing, it's your boy Jamaican J, and today we're gonna be checking out No Plan B. Yeah, the prologue, baby. Yeah, so this game is in early access on Steam. No, not early access, yeah, you could say demo. So yes, early access. So yeah, so we're gonna be checking out the demo today, No Plan B. It is a strategic, like, what would you say now? It's a tactical game. What's this coming up on my screen here? Nope, I would not. It's a tactical, military SWAT game, as you would say. What you say? SWAT, police, FBI, and also robbers, man. So if you could also be the bad guys. And that's all the information I got on it so far. So we're gonna be checking it out and see what it's really about. Yeah. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. First time viewer, welcome. Do remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Share the video, it is much appreciated by Jamaican J and this channel. Do remember to follow me on TikTok, Jamaican J _X, also on Twitter _X _Jamaican J4. Word up. So yeah, so let's check this thing out, man. So let's go with the tutorial, because I don't know. So I was trying to start it off already. If you notice, I did a couple, trying to get the hang of it. So I do know how to move. You know what, fuck it, let's let me run over it with everybody. Alright, let's go. Let's see that again. Oh, they just want you to move, okay. So you could change you could change your view. So let me see. So they want you to just drag the mouse and you there. Okay, just drag the mouse and you there. Then you gotta push this thing. You gotta push that thing, and there it is. I'm learning how to be. I think this look like SWAT right here. This guy look like SWAT. Okay, let's go to the other. I'm just trying to run through the tutorial real fast, so you guys could have an idea. So this game is supposed to come out, I think, in the second quarter, third quarter of 2021. Sometime this year. How they say to aim again? I didn't even know this. Is it this way? Let me see. Aim. Okay. Kill that fool, then continue. No, don't. Take that off. Then I think that shit should work right there. So you gotta, it's like this game, you gotta set up how you want to enter the building, you know what I'm saying? So in a tactical point of view. So you gotta do it, set it up, and then you play it, and then you get a score. So you guys will get a hang of it as I go along, because it didn't take me long to get the hang of this game. So you gotta push it to see how it's gonna look. Oh, so the early shot missed. Mission failed. Damn. Oh, when I get here, I should do that. Okay. Alright, so let's X out of this. Damn, lady. Oh, she almost lose her tooth. She almost lose a couple teeth there. Hey, okay, aiming. Let's try the aiming again. Because I think I aimed too early. Yeah, I aimed too early. So let's go here. I like this view. Hold on. Get my view right. So let's go here. Stop there. Aim at that fool. I'm gonna keep the gun up on him a little bit after. Yep. Take that off. Take this off, bro. Okay, how'd that look? It look decent. Let's see how it looks. Yeah. So yeah, so you're also on a time. I think you get 1 minute to do your mission, if I'm not mistaken. I think you get 1 minute. Yo, I think this could be a good training tool for like SWAT team and FBI, man. They could use this for training. All right, what's going on here? So this is open doors. Let's see it again. I wasn't paying attention. Oh yeah. So that I do know how to do. Open doors. So they want me to open this door, shoot this person, and then go here. All right, so open door. No, I don't want to aim. I want to open door. Open door. And after you open the door, you come to this door. After you come right here, then you got to aim and shoot this. Hope I don't miss my shot, man. Then after I shoot him, I'm gonna go here and then go here. All right, let's see how it's gonna look. So this is a training facility. All right, let's take a replay and see how it look. Okay, let's see how it look, bro. Play it. So you could even get like a demonstration to see how it's gonna look even before you finalize it. You ain't shoot that dude right there. It's a good thing I did that. So let's bring it back right here. Because he didn't even shoot that dude right here. Okay, let's take it from the top. So why does he keep aiming? Let's take it out. Let's take it from up here. He comes here. You aim. Then you stop aiming, man. After that. Come here. You could stop aiming now, bro. All right, let's see if he's gonna shoot, because he didn't shoot the first time I did it. Come on. Okay, he did shoot. Okay. All right, hostiles eliminated. Okay, we're learning. We're learning. We're getting it. We're getting it. We're getting it. Throw grenades. Let's see that again. Click on him. Pick the grenade. Throw it over there. Boom, bang, bing. Okay. So we gotta click on him. Get the grenade. Throw the grenade. Okay. That's good enough. So let's finalize it. Okay, good. Okay, throw grenade behind doors. Flashbangs. Okay, let's see that again. Go to the door, flashbang. So does he get a flashbang when he click on the door? Okay. Okay. All right, let's try that. Door. Flashbang. No. Bro. I fucked up, man. Door. I can't aim where I want the flashbang to go. Oh, there we go. There we go. I was like, what the fuck? Is it over there? Flashbang, there we go. And then he's gonna come in and aim. No, you can't come in too early, bro. You gotta come in after the flash. Then they're stunned. And you aim up here. All right, let's do this. Let's take it back and see how it's gonna look. All right, I approve of it. Let's see how it looks. Oh man, I got gunned down. All right, let's do this again. Maybe I shouldn't be aiming because he didn't say nothing about aiming. I gotta go. Oh, okay. All right, all right, all right. Okay, I got it. Flashbang. Move the flashbang over here. Then after that, they're gonna get banged. So they're gonna be. I wanna catch them. I wanna catch them when they're dazed. Let's see how this is gonna look. Let's see how this is gonna look. So I want to catch them when they're dazed, you know what I'm saying? I want to catch them when they're revived. See, they kind of revive right before I get there. Let's see if it works anyway. All right, well, I almost died, but hey, I'll take it, man. Timeline navigation. Okay, so they're trying to show us how to synchronize. Okay. See that again? Oh, 901. So you just set that one the same way. Move down. Okay. Ah, man, why you keep making bends? Okay. Let's see it. All right. Okay. Waypoint arriving. Waypoint arriving. You see that again? Bring that guy up there. Oh, so they're gonna meet right there. They're gonna meet right there. So one is gonna wait here. And then you click on here. Oh, okay. That's how I do it, right? After I click on here. Yeah. I think so. Let me see. So if this guy's gonna follow. Nope. So I ain't do it right. This is how you do it. All right. Let's check it out. Oh man, so maybe, look at this thing again. Okay, so I gotta got one on the left wall, man. I'm gonna need one on the left wall. This one. All right. Let's meet. They meet here, right? And you take the left wall, bro. Yeah, you take the left wall. Let me see. I think that's it. I think we got it now. Take the left wall, bro. Oh, so why this one keep getting shot, man? Why this one keep getting shot? You know what? Let me bring him closer in to this guy. I don't like those little lines I've been making, though. These little bullshit lines I've been making right here. Let me see if you see what happened. I've been making some zigzag lines. Oh man. What am I doing wrong here, man? Come on, man. This got to be it. Why this one? I don't know why this guy keep getting shot, bro. I really don't know why this guy keep getting shot. Y'all say to bring him around there. All right. You know what? Maybe I'm too far away. He's still getting shot. He's still getting shot, bro. He is still getting shot. What do you say? It's successful. Oh, that's successful, and I died. Yo, cancel this, man. All right, let's see what's up with this thing, man. Stop right there, bro. I wonder if the one. I wonder if this guy is too late. Yeah, I think that's what it is. It's too late. So it's this guy that's too late. It's that guy that's too late. So I'm gonna have to switch the waypoint right there. I have to switch the point where he joined. Maybe it's here. He should join. And then you come up like this. Why you keep making those fucking beelines, bro? Why you keep making those beelines? Alright, let's see. I can't get this shit, man. Come on now. Ah, this guy keep getting fucking killed, man. Look at him, still getting killed. SA mission complete, fuck it. I want to keep moving on. Door opening time. Door opening time. Alright, let's see. I think this one is kind of late, ain't he? Well, let's see how it plays out. He's getting shot in the back, of course. He's too late. Yeah, he's too late, man. Oh, okay, now I see what I did wrong. I fucked up. Ah, man. Yeah. I don't know. I'm still doing something wrong here. Cause my guy keep dying. Oh, they want me to move him from... Okay. Move him from here. Stop him here. You come back in here, bro. Okay. Okay. So what I want you to do, bro, I want you to go this way. And you to come this way. Alright, let's see how that plays out. This guy is still late, man. He's still late. Look at him just coming in. He's still late. You're still late, bro. stay right there. That's where I want you to stay. And you come back right here. You stay right there. Okay, now you come there. And then you come there. Let me see if this shit work. I don't know. Alright, let's see what happened. Because this guy is kind of late. Okay, so he shouldn't touch the door. He shouldn't touch the door until this guy get there. He shouldn't touch the door. Okay, okay. He's still, I don't know how to let him, I don't know how to make him kind of pause here for a little bit, man. He's still taking forever. This guy should wait, man. Yeah, you know what? I want a clean slate. Because how am I gonna go? Is it this one? Door sync. Yeah. Even though I think I passed it, but I want to do it the right way though. Alright, bro. We'll see how this works. Yeah, see, now he's waiting on him right there. There it is. That's it right there. That guy does keep dying, man. All clear. Fuck it. I can't stop them from dying. Shit. What's this? Grenade sink. So one is gonna throw a grenade and one is gonna rush inside, huh? Alright, let's see that again. Whatever they say. I can't understand that, but let me do this because I know this. And then what? After he throw the grenade, who throw the grenade? Then he comes in. Then E comes in right there. Let me see if that works. And then you go in, and then you supposed to go in behind him, bro. I think you're kind of too late, bro. I think this guy's kind of too late. This one right here. Yeah, it's too late. He's not even in there. That's not a good breach. That's a fucked up breach. So he didn't even put the breach on the door then. So let me see this. Let me see this again. All right, let's try it out. Operation successful. I know I'm kind of getting the hang of it, man, but synchronized start, time freeze sync, eliminate all enemies in the building. Okay, let's see what that say again. Hold control button. Okay. Oh, that's for more than one people to get inside. Okay. We don't want no crossfire now, bro. We don't want no crossfire. Yo, so I thought they was gonna go in. I thought they was gonna go in right after each other. Mission is a failure. Let me see this again, man. Cause I'm doing what they tell me to do. Oh, so you want to split them in 2 teams? Okay. 2 teams are okay. 2 teams. You want 2 teams, bro. 2 teams. One go here. Right? And then this one follow. Yeah, what the fuck is going on here, man? Why can't I just clear this shit? I can't clear all this shit. Hold this. Come in here. Then you hold this. You follow him. Why are you facing that way, you idiot? My God, there's so much fucking thing going on. Yo, come on, man. I gotta clear this. This come over here. You know what, man? This thing is getting on my nerve. You know what? Let's just get into a gameplay. Fuck all this thing. Let's get into campaign, see what it's about. Or something. Skirmish. Fogs. Cold Beast. So these are different missions we could do, huh? We get how much? 3? Let's try this one. Fog's Death. Oh, you could. Oh shit! Don't tell me I could. All right. So I could pick my character weapons. Oh, they say you do that. Just click on them. Oh, okay. go with a shotgun in there and a grenade. Oh, see, you got a grenade right there. That's cool. All right, shotgun and a grenade. And you could use a submachine gun. A stun grenade. All right, so we got the stun grenade. Eliminate all the hostiles. Okay, so they're gonna be hostiles. All right. I'm say if I'm no good at being a. We need a frag here. Why is it going over there? Come on, man. We need it over here. Over here, bro. Over here. A frag there, yeah? Then after you throw the frag, you enter. You know what I'm saying? And then this guy, he enters too, to make sure the room is clear. You know what I'm saying? And then we walk and look. You know what I'm saying? Then we stop right here. I'm just planning it out, man. Then we ain't have no frag. So you gotta come up here. Maybe you got a grenade. Yep, you sure do. Throw a grenade in the middle. I'm gonna throw it in the center of the room. And then after he throws that, then then you rush in, bro. And then you rush in with him. And then y'all start clearing the room. And then y'all start clearing the room. All right. Let's see how that look. Grenade. Okay. And you enter with him, yeah. You move with your partner, yeah. You should move in single file. Well, you know what? That should rock them. Then we enter. Make sure nobody's around this corner right here. All right, I approve of this message. Let's see how it looks. Oh, so damn, they got the whole thing. Oh man, clear, baby. Let me see that again. So I can't see shit. Okay. Okay. Clear. This guy got shot though. So come on, man. We're wasting time. Oh, mission. Okay. Let me see. New rank. Oh. Shit. I'm not even nowhere. Alright, that was a nice little mission. Infiltration missions. Alright. Reach and secure at least one of the marked locations. So I got 2 people, right? I wonder if I could take 2. I wonder if each one of them could take 2 door. One door each. Because that would be cool, right? I could enter from here. And he could enter from here. And then we meet up here. Yeah. Let's try that. You, bro, you go here. Oh, this is DEA. DEA. I'm gonna give DEA a rifle, man. I don't know. Submachine. Give you the shotgun. Give you a grenade. And you could enter from over here. Oh, it's a female. Okay. Let's give you a shotgun too. And stun grenade. Alright, girl, don't let me down. Alright, so how are we gonna enter this? Open door silently. Hold up. What? No, this is not you, man, not you. Oh my God. I'm talking about this person. Open silently, yeah. At the same time, I want you to be opening your door too. You know what I'm saying? Open silently. I don't know if nobody's gonna be in this room. But you know what? Let's just, if anybody in there, we're gonna clear it. And you're gonna clear your room too, bro. Make sure nobody behind the door. Definitely throw a frag in there. At the same time, I want you to be right there. After you clear this room, I want you to come over here. And then you could throw a grenade in here just in case. And then after the grenade, we could enter. You know what I'm saying? We could enter the room. Yeah. Yeah, we could enter. All right. Let's see how this looks. Let me get my camera view nice and easy. All right, let's go. Action. I want to see how much seconds they do it in. So we got 10 seconds on the so far, 11 seconds, 13 seconds. Gotta do it fast. Let's see if everything is in sync. 27 seconds. Then you enter over there. There we go. I think we got it. Action. Lights, camera, action. Yeah. See? Damn, it's two of them down there. Yeah, baby. I wasn't expecting so much Okay. So I know what I did wrong. I didn't let them go all the way into the green mark. So I gotta let them go in the green mark after. Let's do this again. Lights, camera, action. Damn, that dude shot her, you know. Mission complete. Okay. It's a fun little game, man. I wonder how hard it is when they give you like 10 people to control. It's gonna take a lot of time to get it right. Oh, so we're doing exfiltration mission. So hold on. So that means we're gonna play the bad guy. If we're exfiltrating. So they want us to throw smoke. Let's see what they want us to do. Throw a smoke grenade. Okay. I wonder if we should. Oh shit. Shotgun, baby. Shotgun. Get a grenade. Plus, we're gonna be inside. So we're definitely gonna need a shotgun. And then you come over here. And what you need is a shotgun. Stun grenade. Alright, there we go. So you go this way, she go this way. Alright. Go here first. And then you go here. Know what I'm saying? Then let's see what's going on here. It's probably gonna be some silent. Open door silently. No, I don't want you to follow her, bro. I want you to go your own way, bro. Why the fuck you following her? Let me do this over, man. Stop at the door. You go this way. Stop at the door. What the fuck you following her for? Flashbang in there. I wonder if this room gonna have somebody. Alright, you know what? Don't flashbang this one. Silent, open. You silent, open too, man. I don't know if nobody's gonna be in here. But check your 6. And you check your 6 too. Then after you check your 6, you come to this door. You go down there. I'm trying to get them out at the same time. So let's see how this thing is going. So they're there. All right. He runs to the door. I think this is where we're gonna meet some people, man. Yeah, XR door. Oh, so this door. Oh, you can't go. Oh, so this door is a. All right. So you're gonna come up here. What do you have on you? Do you have anything? Yeah, you have grenade. Throw that grenade around here. Yeah. Throw it around there. At the same time, you gonna throw your flashbang around. No, what is it doing? Oh man. So you're gonna have to come through the door and then throw your flashbang. I don't know why the flashbang. Yo, come on, man. I gotta go back, yo. Come through the door. And then you throw a flashbang, man. What the fuck? Yeah, there we go. And then you're gonna go in there right now. That wouldn't work, huh? He would get hurt by the grenade. He would get hurt by the grenade, so I'm gonna have to. After he throw the grenade, let me see this grenade thing. Her flashbang is good, but his grenade is not good. See, he walks right in there after the grenade. So what you do, you double back a little bit, yeah. And then you go in. Yeah. Clear the room. Go out there. You know what I'm saying? You come in, you clear your room, make sure you clear everything, and you go out there. Alright, let's see how it look. Man, it ain't easy being a director, yo. So you're gonna clear that room, she gonna clear that room. Throw a grenade in that room. Grenade in that room. Then he goes in. I like how that little turn I make. In 24 seconds and we out. What happened to this girl? Oh, she took a little longer here, I noticed. But we still did it in 37 seconds. Okay, I'll take the 37 seconds. Let's see how it looks. Let's see how it looks. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Grenades, baby. Yeah, I made a loop right here. I gotta learn how to make straight lines, man. Operation is successful. Yo, this game is dope. It's like you're a movie director. Yeah. Damn, they're cutting down. Okay. So these are coming in the full game. So I can play these. So we played this one, we did this one, huh? So we played all of them already. Let's see something. Skirmish. Daily challenge. What is this? I don't even know what I clicked on. Okay, I don't understand this one, but okay, let's see. One. Gonna have a shotgun. It looks like it's like 3 people here. 4 people. So we're gonna work as a team. This is the exit. We're gonna put a 2-man team together, 4-man team together. And let's put 2 over here. 2 coming from in. Give you a shotgun. And you from there, give you a rifle. Now I'll give you a submachine gun. So we have 2 coming from here and 2 coming from here. And we go in here. Okay, this is a challenge, huh? Where's the door? So there's no door here. Okay. So there's no door there, but there's a door here. There's a door here. There's a door here. They already in here, so we ain't gonna even go in there. So we're gonna bring these 2 guys. Both of they all come around here. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to figure out where I think attack would be coming from. You think somebody would be, but this is a small hallway, so we could. And you come up here, and you come here, bro, and then you come. Then you make sure you. You come, make sure you watch the 6. All right. So in the meantime, while they coming out, right? So they gotta come through this room too. Oh man, I didn't even notice that shit. All right, bro. It's gonna be this one. This one is gonna be a little. Okay. So this squad is gonna come this way, man. Y'all come this way. Y'all flashbang in here. Yeah, fling a flashbang somewhere around here. Just in case. I wish there was. I wish there was some way. Oh, is this a door or what, man? Yes, it is a damn door. Alright, let me see what I got so far. So I got these 2 coming out. Shooting up anybody in there. You know what? I should have these 2 coming too. Coming in the room too. Right behind them, yo. Right behind them. Then you 2 go this way. No, not you. Yeah, throw a frag in there. And you 2 come this way. I'm telling you, this game is not easy, man. It's not easy being a fucking director. I'm trying to figure out the best way possible to get out of here. All right. You throw a frag out here too, man. We don't know what's out here. Let me see. Then after you throw the frag, the machine gunner is gonna come out. Machine gunner is gonna come out, and you come out right behind it. You know what I'm saying? At the same time, you guys going through here. Y'all should be able to take this room easily. Yo. Oh, that's 1 minute? All of that? I was trying to make a 2-man team, but look like I'm supposed to make a 3-man team, yo. Oh, okay. So I can't be stopping. All right. I can't be stopping. All right. Let's do this again. Yo, come on, man. What the fuck is going on with this thing? Why they should just erase all of this. How the fuck you erase all of this shit? Nine second, man. Come on, bro. We gotta get out here. 17 second, bro. 21 second. Y'all gotta get out here fast, man. 25 second. Open door silently. We just running through this shit, man. We just running through here. 43 second. We gotta do it for a minute. 47 seconds. We got 52 seconds left. We ain't gonna make it. 56. Ah, man, this is... You know what, man? I'm gonna try with 3 people. This 4 people thing is too fucking complicated. Let me try with 3 people. Fogstead. Tab. I ain't got no time for all that, man. Oh, they still got these lines I made before? Jesus, I thought I started a new game. I don't know how to get rid of those fucking lines. Oh, damn, girl. You can't handle that. Domination missions. Hey, this game is not as simple as it looks, man. This game is not as simple as it looks. Alright, so we got, you know what? Let me try with just a 3-man team, yo. Get a K up there. Yeah, what is this, man? Okay, good. I'm gonna try a 3-man team. Yo, you, bro, you go here. You get a shotgun. Oh, who is this dude? Hey, Papi, see, he got his buttons up. He's an essay. Okay. Get a shotgun up in there to get a grenade for the essay. 3 of us going up in there, man. Fuck that. 3-man team, baby. Alright. Nah, we ain't. Center of the room, baby. Center of the room. And after that, we come in. You come in over here and get her up at this door. It's a 3-man team. Sneak in. Let me throw a grenade in there, yo. Then after the grenade explode and you come in, bro, and clear that room. You gotta help him clear that room. Clear the room. Time over. Let's see. How the fuck time over so quick? Let me see. What's gonna happen here? Damn, there's somebody right there. She got shot. Oh, he died. At least he killed somebody before he died. So why are they standing there? That's why. Oh, that's why I was waiting for the other guys. Man, this game is it's not easy. So you got to do everything under a minute. You got to plan. Your whole plan got to be under a minute. So you can't do a lot of standing around and stuff. Yeah. But this game is fun, man. I could see in the future, like, a lot of people playing this and coming up with some great ideas. I really can see some people coming up with some great ideas right now. Yeah, but it's a good game, man. But thanks for checking out this No Plan B prologue with me, man. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. First time viewer, welcome. Do remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. for more content. 21 gun salute to all my people. Do remember to follow me on TikTok, Jamaican J underscore dash under X. Also on Twitter, dash under X underscore Jamaican J4. Thanks for checking out this demo with me. God bless. 1.